stop by and take a look at the 2018 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.